In this video, I'll show you how to use Wispr flow snippets to turn a single spoken word into a full document in seconds. I'll start here on my main dashboard and navigate to the sidebar on the left, where I'll click on the snippets icon. This brings me to my snippet management area where I can store all my recurring text blocks and shortcuts. I want to create a new shortcut today, so I'll click the Add New button at the top right of the screen. In the first field, I'll name this snippet application so it's easy to remember. Then, in the expansion box, I'm going to provide the full, detailed text of a standard job application letter. Once I'm happy with the content, I'll click Add Snippet, and you'll notice the confirmation message at the bottom letting me know it's saved and ready to use. To put this into action, I'll head over to a fresh Google Doc to begin my work. Instead of typing anything out manually, I will simply speak the keyword, application. As soon as I say the word, Wispr Flow instantly triggers the snippet and fills the entire page with the letter I just created. Now, if I want to refine this draft further, I can just highlight the text and enter command mode. I'll speak a direct instruction to the AI, saying, make it a more formal tone. The system takes a moment to process the request and thoughtfully rewrite the entire letter. Now, I have a perfectly polished and professional application without ever having to touch my keyboard, demonstrating the true power of combining custom snippets with intelligent voice commands. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.